I just got on cloud nine and here I am. Junior, listen to me.
Cloud 9.
That was me, Michael.
Well, everything's in order. Enjoy your stay on Cloud 9.
I can bar him from traveling to Cloud 9 on that basis alone.
I'm outside the Cloud 9 ballroom where the
English Idiom Challenge. What does on Cloud 9 mean? Correct answer is to be extremely happy. On Cloud 9 means to feel extremely happy or joyful. Like and subscribe for more idioms.
Maybe I should just throw in the towel. Your dad.
Throwing in the towel?
Yeah, by throwing in the towel.
Mom, let's throw in the towel.
When do you throw in the towel?
You do not throw in the towel when you're...
Think Carl's gonna throw in the towel?
What'd you do? Throw in the towel, Jack.
English Idiom Challenge. What does throw in the towel mean? Correct answer is to give up or admit defeat. Throw in the towel means to quit or surrender, originally from boxing. Like and subscribe for more idioms.
Break a leg.
Break a leg, fellas.
Break a leg.
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 Break a leg, Thorndike.
English Idiom Challenge. What does break a leg mean? Correct answer is to wish someone good luck. Break a leg is a way to wish someone good luck, especially before a performance. Like and subscribe for more idioms.
The ball was in her court.
The ball's in your court.
Ball's in your court, Captain.
Ball's in your court, Hunter.
Ball's in your court.
The ball's in your court, Mr. McCloy.
No, the ball's in your court.
The point is to keep the ball in your court.
The truth is, the ball's in her court now.
The ball is in your court. In order for those rules to change...
But the ball's in my court now.
English Idiom Challenge. What does the ball is in your court mean? Correct answer is it's your turn to take action. The ball is in your court means it's your responsibility or turn to act. Like and subscribe for more idioms.
A blessing in disguise.
Blessing in disguise.
Maybe a blessing in disguise.
Thing is a blessing in disguise, huh?
Maybe it's a blessing in disguise.
You mean a blessing in disguise?
Yeah.
Which was a weird blessing in disguise.
It's kind of a blessing in disguise.
This may be a blessing in disguise.
You know, maybe this is really a blessing in disguise.
English Idiom Challenge. What does a blessing in disguise mean? Correct answer is a bad event that turns out to be good. A blessing in disguise means something that seems bad at first but turns out to be good. Like and subscribe for more idioms.
Took a shine to it.
I wish you'd take a shine to me.
He took a shine to him.
Yeah, I think they really took a shine to me. I gotta tell you.
English Idiom Challenge. What does take a shine to mean? Correct answer is to start liking someone or something quickly. Take a shine to means to quickly develop a liking or affection for someone or something. Like and subscribe for more idioms.
Widower, man of means.
He's a man of means.
Man is born, he's a man of means.
English Idiom Challenge. What does man of means mean? Correct answer is a person with great wealth or financial resources. A man of means refers to a wealthy person or someone who has considerable financial resources. Like and subscribe for more idioms.
I knew those other guys were just a flash in the pan.
Not some flash in the pan, corner or receiver.
English Idiom Challenge. What does flash in the pan mean? Correct answer is something that shows great promise at first, but fails to deliver long-term results. A flash in the pan refers to something or someone that initially seems promising or successful, but quickly fails or fades away. Like and subscribe for more idioms.